Hello everyone, this is my first video at my YouTube channel and well, it seems that it must looks like first of all like maybe a little presentation. And first of all, before we start and going further, I want to ask you guys to take my deep apologize because of my not perfect English language and my potential grammatic and phonetic mistakes in the future. Well, the answer is very simple. Actually, this is not my native language, and I really hope that you won't judge me too hard in the future. Thank you in advance. And by the way, maybe we will have such misunderstandings um, during my explanation. For instance, um, why does this seller made a new lower low compared with this low after he has done a new bottom update in this point compared with this local high, previous high? Well, the answer is very simple. Then I'm gonna use some kind of special definitions. Well, for example, hidden seller, hidden buyer, not very deep correction, full correction, or deep correction. When we're gonna touch this topic about how the chart moving in case of the wave that we can able to notice at the chart. In this aspect, we have very simple way how to resolve this situation. Well, it's obviously everybody can able to leave their own comments under any video that will be placed in this video channel with time, and be sure I will be glad to give you all my answers, and I think everything will be fine in this respect. I create this channel in order to describe my trading ideas, how I can able to see the market, why I make a certain decision, which securities, which stocks should be selected for trading. Um, well, I'm planning to review interesting situation in the stocks and the stock issue that I'm gonna trade. And of course, I'm gonna reviews before the start of the trading session. I mean, what kind of securities I'm planning to watch all day today, for instance. What development of events on the price chart do I expect from them? For instance, why I I took the short position right here today and was sitting during all this dropping down right at this point, and actually why this stock interested for me. Well, for instance, let's take a look a bit closer at the daily chart. I'm gonna spread open. As you can see here, yesterday we was here, we was testing this key point, this crucial point. This is very important bar. This is a good seller. This is very good seller. And as you can see, we're approaching to him on decreasing volume. And as you can see, the spread between the price closes is decreasing. And today I was expecting the short from this point. Let's take a look at an intraday chart. The stock did this move. The first test, then lower low update, then we have very dirty and very difficult buyer, very weak buyer, and then we have the first wave of sellings, then a little bit test, and right at this point I took the stock in a short, opened the short position and covered everything right at this point. Why I made this decision to close everything right here? Because we have a very strong buyer here, and you can see the volume is decreasing with approaching to this point. The channel is not created for educational purposes. I'm not planning to share my trading signals during the trading session. Actually, this is an ordinary daily trading journal, the guy who is putting his own trades at the open market right here. Well, perhaps in time, um, we'll together will be joined by like-minded people with adherence with the peers who gonna understand what I'm talking about and how I'm thinking. In the meantime, thank you all for your attention. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow, of course, in the other books when the market will be open.